Hey guys, how's it going? Since this is my first video, I just want to catch you here at the beginning of the video and let you know what I'm going to be bringing to the channel. I like a lot of stuff to do with the outdoors, and I like cars and trucks, so I plan on bringing a nice mesh to those two things. I'm going to be creating more of a daily vlogging style content where I'm going to show you everything that I'm doing throughout the day. I hope you enjoy that stuff, and if you do, you can like and subscribe. And if you have any other video ideas, you can drop a comment down below. I hope you enjoy, so let's get to the video. Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to LTN 2024. It's day 2 at LTN. I'm ready. Are you ready, Hope? Yeah. Are you ready? You ready? Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Wait for my fucking truck to go.
Are you excited? Are you excited for today? This thing is awesome. This one's probably my favorite one of all. So guys, just running you through the plan for the day here. We got Barbie Jeep races tonight, and then we've also got Burnout Wars, and I think there's gonna be some more stuff on the dyno. And we're also at Mid-America, so there's a bunch of side-by-sides here, a bunch of stuff just like this one here. This thing's really cool. They have literally everything here. So yeah, actually we were not able to make it to the Barbie Jeep races, so I have no footage for that. So right now we're at Burnout Wars. It's not a normal burnout competition, it's completely different. It's gonna be a lot of fun, so let's get to it. So we fast forwarded a couple of days. The last you seen was at Burnout Wars. It's Thursday and that was Saturday. So I got really sick over the weekend, that night actually. So I didn't take any more clips and my phone died. So I'm gonna cut the video off right here. We ended up getting everything home. My brother's dually, his trailer, and his new truck that he just got. If you want to see a video on that, let me know in the comments. So anyway, guys, I hope you liked the video. If you did, you can like and subscribe. If you want to, you can follow my other social medias, which will be linked down below. Anyways, peace.